Put a chocolate bar in boiling water and you wouldn't want to eat popcorn any other way. Start by adding a tablespoon of butter or margarine in a pan. Let's wait for the butter to completely melt, then add a half cup of popcorn. Keep stirring until the corn starts to pop. Now let's cover the pan and wait for the corn to pop completely. It's very important to keep stirring so the corn doesn't burn. Once everything has popped, all we have to do is remove it and transfer it to a container. I have a pan of water here. I'll put it on the heat and wait for it to start boiling. As soon as it starts boiling, we will add a white chocolate bar and a milk chocolate bar. Once they've melted, we will remove it and pour all the chocolate over our popcorn that's already in the container. I also sprinkled a little M&M on top. And finished it off with a little powdered milk. Now you can enjoy it as is or just mix and serve. I hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from the poor man in the kitchen. Big hug until next time, it was worth it.